Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In our previous video, we define what if statement is in Python and the three key words used in if statement in Python. They are if, elif, and x. And also, we run a simple code that shows the voting age in a particular country. I mean, if this is programmed into a software, maybe any method vote electronic voting or voting manually and you want to know the eligibility of a student of a citizen in a country to the right to vote. And in most countries from 80 years and above, so we run a simple code that display this voting right of a citizen. So by the time we change this age to something like 15 and run our simple code, so that Python will display that you are not eligible to vote. You are not eligible to vote, the case may be. So let's take it back to something that is 18 and say you are eligible to vote. We also talked about in our previous videos score simulation to know the grade of a particular student and in a particular text, and the grade are well defined, and if statement study if score is greater than or equals to 80, it should print you have grade A. If it's greater than or equal to 70, it should print you have grade B. If greater than or equal to 60, it should print you have grade C. If greater than or equals to 50, you have grade D. If it is below all this man, Python will print work harder next thing. So let's see. For example, now let's put in this case let's put 45 as the case may be. Should enter. You see that Python will say work add and nesting. This is what we display on the screen, work add and nesting. So Python is very useful in most programming. It's useful for a general purpose programming language. That's what they call. That's what Python is useful. You can use for web development, machine learning, AI development, and the case may be. Okay, now we talked about the login system in our previous video. When we run the simple code displaying how login system work in most websites, it was just wonderful. For example, now we have the first time a user visited a particular website, is save his user ID as user 2014 and the password simple password 126. By the time you want to enter again, visited the site again the second time, you know that site will require for user ID and password, and this is a simple way to illustrate this in Python programming language. For example, now maybe the second time the person mistakenly put 2012 and see what the Python will run. Python will say, oh, username not found, username not found, because that's what is printed here. Because if user ID not equals to store username, Python should print username not found. Okay, so that's why if here is wrong, so this will be the result of what we display in the screen, username not found. By the time we put user ID here, not user ID not found, you see that run it again, you see that okay, user ID not found as the case may be. So let's change it to 2014 as the case may be. You will see login successful. So we can also use it for traffic light simulation, the case may be. You know that traffic light have three basic color: green, yellow, and red, as the case may be. So if you change the traffic light color in this place, you see that the output will change. For example, it is green now, that's why we have the output here as gold. By the time we change this to red, so that the output will become, we change to something else, should enter and tell the vehicle to stop, because it is dangerous to move at this point in time, the case may be. So to check if a number is an odd number or not, we run the simple code and we're able to analyze it. For example, should enter 2 is an even number. Now change this 2 to 5, should enter tell that 5 is an odd number. Change to any number of your trace, change to any number. 108 is an even number, as the case may be. 30, okay, let's look at 37. We tell that 37 is an odd number because when you divide 37 by 2, the modulus is not 0, so that makes it an odd number according to Python programming. So as the case may be, today we'll talk about ATM Bank Simulation. Let's assume that you have some dollars in your account that you want to withdraw with your empty account, and so that when you withdraw, the balance will be showed, and when you try to input amount higher than what you have in your account, the ATM will display insufficient funds. So let's run the code. Now we have a balance in our account is equals to any amount. Okay, let me say $20, or the case may be. Okay, and we want to withdraw amount, so say withdraw underscore amount. We'll put a figure here. Let's continue. So we now want to run the if statement here. If withdraw underscore amount is less than or equals to, okay, less than equals to balance. Okay, then balance, yes, this statement balance want to show that, okay, after withdraw also display what is left in the account. So balance minus equals to, okay, withdraw underscore amount. Then we'll want to print. I want to use our F string to modify this print capital everything. Then we'll introduce our F string. F string. So withdraw successful. Okay, withdraw successful, or successful withdrawal, the case may be. Successful withdraw successful. Then okay, full stop, remaining balance. Okay, remaining balance is, let's put it like to make our sentence complete and simple. Let's put the dollar sign. This is the dollar sign, and we want Python to display the remaining balance, so we'll put balance in this place. So if you run this code, and let's say okay, come to this place. We come to this place, and let's okay, we want to withdraw $5,000. $5,000 print. We check everything is well coded. $5,000. Okay, there's one code. There's a code in case if the if condition is not fulfilled, what will happen is print insufficient fund. Okay, in case this if statement is not fulfilled, so the alternative statement will be printed if sufficient fund. So by the time now we know that $5,000 is less than the amount in the account, so it will print withdraw successful and also show us the remaining balance. So shift, okay, let me give a space here, shift enter, so that okay, this what about successful withdrawal, remaining balance is $15,000. Wow, that's wonderful. So by the time we change this amount to, let me say $15,000, you should enter, you say successful withdraw successful, remaining balance is $5,000. Like let's put amount higher than what we have in our account balance, so what Python will display, should enter, wow, insufficient fund. So Python is very useful. So these are the various ways we can use if statement in Python in real life situation and what they are used for. Very wonderful. Is simulation of a voting right in a country, great simulation, traffic light, lovely system. Also talk about simulation of traffic light, and also talk about to know if a number is even or odd, and also ATM bank withdrawal simulation, ATM bank simulation, as the case may be. So these are the various ways we can use if statement in real life situation in programming language. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about this. So our next video will be on loops, iteration in Python and what they are used for. Thank you for